Tonight, debate rages over a landmark ruling by the Indiana Supreme Court, one that some say violates your right to privacy. Now, the protests over this ruling have flooded our Facebook page. We're going to show you some of these comments in just a moment. They have been flooding in just in the time that we said that we were going to be doing this story. But first, let's bring you up to speed. This ruling essentially says you can't fight back when a police officer comes into your home illegally. The state Supreme Court ruled that Indiana residents cannot keep police from entering their homes even if that entry is unlawful. In a 3-2 decision, the justices ruled that valid reasons would allow officers to come in without a warrant and that it's against the law for homeowners to resist.
That has never been the law in this state. Our courts have always held that if the police are trying to enter your home illegally, you can forcibly resist that entry.
But Justice Stephen David wrote, quote, "We believe a right to resist an unlawful police entry into a home is against public policy." He also says allowing resistance unnecessarily escalates the level of violence and therefore the risk of injuries to all parties.
The court now has given police authority, even when they don't have a warrant and even when the search may indeed be illegal, to enter a Indiana citizen's home without a warrant to search.
2 justices dissented, saying the ruling, quote, "sweeps with far too broad a brush by essentially telling Indiana citizens that government agents may now enter homes illegally, that is, without the necessity of a warrant." Defense attorneys also fear it will keep homeowners from protecting themselves against police impersonators.
If you have no right to resist or protect yourself or defend yourself against this illegal entry, you're really at some mercy of persons who are masquerading as police officers.
Now, we had gotten so much response on our Facebook page that we wanted to go ahead and follow up on this story. Let's take a look at some of the comments that we've already gotten. Frank Tejera says, support the Fourth Amendment. Another one, Cheryl Zippy, says, there should be controversy. It's absurd and it's against our constitutional rights. Also, down here, from Montgomery, it says, I am seldom on the side of the ACLU, but this is one in which they definitely should go after, as well as every believer in the U.S. Constitution. So again, the response to this recent ruling has been coming fast and furious. In fact, the state Supreme Court has also gotten some threats over this ruling as well. Many opponents expect legislators will draft a new proposal to fight back against it.